Today we are looking at a signature super blender, which is a 3-in-1 blender. This blender comes with 1.5 liters unbreakable glass jar, mincer, this is the mincer, and a grinder, this is the grinder. The glass jar has a lid with a small measuring cup which has a capacity of 50 ml, has stainless steel blade which are very hygienic and they increase the durability of this blender. The lid has a locking mechanism and this is the groove. You can lock on both sides. Connect your blender to the power. Use the control knob to control the speed. Remember, it has 2 speed function. It just has a pulse function. We can also use the pulse function, which is used when you need short burst of power at the optimum speed, which means you can control how long the machine is run for, a useful way of avoiding overprocessing. The other part is the grinder. This is the grinder. Comes in 2 parts, the stainless steel blade and a cup which takes 80 grams. This silicone band helps to protect the motor housing when you're grinding substances. The silicone band is removable. That means whenever it gets dirty, it's very easy to remove and wash. When you're grinding, do not exceed 25 seconds each time. In case you want to use the peanut the way it is, you can remove. But in this case, I want to make a peanut butter. That means I need to grind more. So this is the mincer. The mincer comes in 2 parts, the stainless steel blades and the mincer cup. The good thing about the grinder and the mincer cup is that the cups have the same capacity and dimension. That means if at all you lose a mincer cup, you can use the grinder cup to do your mincing or your chopping. The difference between the grinder and the mincer is that a grinder has 1 blade and the mincer has 2 blades. They are very hygienic and durable. The mincer can be used to mince meat. This is the minced meat. The other thing is the motor unit. The motor unit has a control knob. This is the knob which has a 2-speed function and a pulse function. At the bottom of the motor unit we have 4 anti-slip rubber stands. That means when you are blending, it's going to be very steady and firm. The motor unit has a rated voltage of 220 to 240 volts with 50 to 60 hertz frequency. It's safe to use in Kenya because our household voltages are 240 volts at 50 hertz. It has a safety lock, which is a built-in mechanism that ensures if at all it's not fully locked, the blender cannot turn on. This signature 3-in-1 super blender comes in 3 colors, black, gray and black and white. If you're interested in getting this item, check our link below and we'll have it delivered at your doorstep.